Start. The crime of manslaughter is termed as culpable homicide. Stop. It is a term in the law of Scotland and England that covers a number of criminal homicides equivalent to manslaughter in legal criminal jurisdictions. Stop. Section 299 of the Indian Penal Code deals with culpable homicide and it is stated as follows: whoever causes death by doing an act with the intention of causing death, comma, or with the knowledge that he is likely by such act to cause death, comma, commits the offence of culpable homicide. Stop. The Penal Code has first defined culpable homicide simpliciter bracket open section 299 comma I.P.C bracket out termed as manslaughter under English law, which is genus, comma, and then murder section 300 I.P.C, which is species of homicide. Stop para. A person who causes bodily injury to another who is laboring under a disorder, comma, disease or bodily infirmity, comma, and thereby accelerates the death of that other, comma, shall be deemed to have caused his death. Stop. Where death is caused by bodily injury, comma, the person who causes such bodily injury shall be deemed to have caused the death, comma, although by resorting to proper remedies and skilful treatment the death might have been prevented. Stop. The causing of the death of a child in the mother's womb is not homicide, but it may amount to culpable homicide to caused the death of a living child, comma, if any part of that child has been brought forth, comma, though the child may have not breathed or completely born. Stop para. The fact that the death of a human being is caused is not enough. Stop. Unless one of the mental states mentioned in ingredient is present, comma, an act causing death cannot amount to culpable homicide. Stop. Thus, where a constable who had loaded but defective gun with him wanted to arrest an accused who was going on a bullock cart by climbing on the cart, and there was a scuffle between him and the accused, and in course of which the gun went off and killed the constable, comma, it was held that accused could not be held guilty of culpable homicide. Stop para. In order to hold a person liable under the impugned section, there must be causing of death of a human being as defined under section 46 of the code. Stop. The causing of death of a child in mother's womb is not homicide as stated in explanation 3 appended to section 299 I.P.C. Stop. But the person would not be set free. Stop. He would be punishable for causing miscarriage either under section 312 or 315 I.P.C. depending on the gravity of the injury. Stop. The act of causing death amounts to culpable homicide if any part of that child has been brought forth, comma, though the child may not have breathed or been completely born. Stop. The clause, though the child may not have breathed, suggests that a child may be born alive, comma, though it may not breathe, bracket, respire, or it may respire so imperfectly that it may be difficult to obtain clear proof that respiration takes place. Causing of death must be of a living human being, which means a living man, comma, woman, comma, child, and at least partially an infant under a delivery or just delivered. Stop over.